To see the XNAT data that's been mounted to our Jupyter instance, let's start a terminal, and then we will cd to the /data directory, and we'll see there's a projects directory there, and we have the med NIST project. Within there, there's an experiments directory. If there's any project resources, you'll also see a resources directory there. Within the experiments directory, we'll see each experiment for the project, so we can see all. I have 10,000 experiments in the med NIST project. Let's open one of those experiments. So within an experiment, there's usually a scans directory for an imaging experiment. Then we have the scan ID, and then we have the scan format. So I have a JPEG. You might have a DICOM instance. And there we can see I have my image.